problem is to write a Python program to catch multiple exceptions in one line. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to handle multiple exceptions in one line. First of all, talking about exceptions, what are exceptions in Python? When we make mistakes in our program, those mistakes are called as errors. Now these errors cannot be corrected. There are two types of errors. First errors over here are syntactic errors which cannot be handled, and the second type of errors are called as logical errors which can be handled. So in this program, we will be learning how to handle two logical errors in one line. So let's have a look on how it can be done. So what I'm going to do over here to handle these errors is, first of all, I will generate a position where an error would occur. So I'll be writing string is equals to input, enter something here. After this, I'll be creating another variable, that is number. Number is equals to int. That means I'll be taking the input in the integers and I'll write enter a number here. So even though I have written enter a number here, people might make a mistake and write ONE1, or they write it in the form of a decimal number. So that would be an error over here. And the second error would be that if I'll write print number or print string, and I will try to concatenate string with the number. Okay. So as soon as I run it, and after this let's print a statement as well. Let's say I'll write print thank you. Okay. As soon as I run it, what would happen if it says enter something here? So I'll write hello, and it says enter a number here, so I'll write 12. First of all, it will throw me an error that string and number cannot be concatenated. That will be our type error. That means there is a type error over here, and it is not executing the next part of the code, which is what? Which is thank you, right? Thank you, No, it's just thank you. Okay, this is our first error, that is type error. Let's talk about our second error that might occur over here. So as soon as I again run it, it says enter something here. So I'll write hello, and here it says enter a number. I'll write ONE1. So it would say there is a value error. What value error it is? That only an integer can be written over here. Not a string, not a floating number, but just the integer. Okay. So now how to handle both of these errors and how to make this print thank you statement work. To do that, what we will be doing, we will be putting this code inside try and except. That means we will be handling both of the errors by using the method of try and except. So inside the try statement, what we will do, we will write the code in which the error might occur. So I'll be writing try colon, and everything over here will be shifted inside the try. Okay, so inside the try, what I have written, the code that might generate the error, that code is written inside the try statement. So inside our except statement, what we'll be doing, inside the except statement, I'll be creating a tuple of both the types of error, that is the value error and the type error, and create an alias called as A, and I'll print A. That will create a, so this print A will create a auto generated message as soon as I run it. Now if I write hello, and if I write 12 over here, so we cannot concatenate string with the integer. As soon as I print enter, it will say can only concatenate string, not integer, to string. That means it is generating a message over here that there is an error in what you have written, but it is not stopping my program. My program is working over here and it is moving to our next part of the program, right? Similarly, let's try to make another kind of error. So if I run it, write something here, so I'll write hello, and I will write ONE1. So it would say invalid literal for int base 10 1. Thank you. That means that here again the error is not generated. Error is there, but that has been handled by this statement, that invalid literal for int. That means we have to write what? We have to write an integer over here, and then our code is moving to the next line. So I hope guys that how to handle multiple exceptions is clear. First of all you need to do is create a situation where an error might occur. That means where multiple errors might occur, and the code in which the error might occur, you need to put it inside the try statement. In the except statement, we will be handling both the types of or multiple types of errors, whatever errors might occur in the code, and then we'll be creating an alias and print that alias over here, so that it would create an auto-generated message and it would print that, and our code will continue. It won't stop at a certain position. So I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.